guys, welcome back to another video. Today me and my friend Cooper and my awesome dad, we've got the boat in the water and we are going to go out into the bay. The goal today is to go and catch some squid and then do a bit of drifting for funnies. Here's my pilchard. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, look at him, look at him. He's trying to eat it, he's not eating it. What's he doing?
Just throw it far away, throw it far away. Throw one far away. Far.
You want this, you want this? Yeah, he wants that. He wants that. Alright, let's see if the stingray wants it.
You have to dive it down. Grab the pulley and dive it down.
Oh god damn, they're all here. I don't like this, this is sketch. Alright, weather's really turned on this afternoon, real good. How about that? Where we think we'll get some squid, we're just looking for some reef and stuff like that, which will mean there will be eggs and stuff, which will be squid. So yeah, look for that spot where we think there's a bit of seaweed down there, and we're gonna try to cast around, try and catch a few squid. The jig I'm gonna use is this I think it's Yamashita in the black color, size 3. I use black when it's overcast days like this because it just seems to work well, and light colored jigs when it's sunny. So we'll cast down, try and catch a few. I didn't get to film it, but Cooper caught a nice little squid.
Wait, I literally put it here.
We made a little move to a bit deeper where we found some more weeds, so we'll try and catch a few more squid, maybe a whiting here as well. Onto something massive, it's a big squid. Look, it's pulling line, it's so massive, it's a huge squid, dude.
I think it's off.
No, it's not. Oh my god, it's huge, bro. Massive squid, or maybe it's a cuddly, we don't know. First cast. Oh, it's a squid. Jeez, it's a squid. It's a good squid. Good squid. You open that so we can put it in. Here it comes.
Watch it be tiny.
It's massive, dude. I can feel it.
Oh, I'm casting out already. I don't care.
No, it's not tiny, Dad. It's not tiny.
You might want the net.
Ooh! Oh, get the net, get the net.
That's a good one.
Bro.
That's massive. Look at that.
Get the net. Alright, that's massive, dude.
Here, wait, can I get a clip of it in the water?
Nah, yeah. Oh, man.
Oh.
Thank you. Get the net. Get the net. Let's go.
Let's go, dog.
The size
Look
of
at that. Holy shit.
It's huge. Look at the size of that squid, guys.
Right,
we've got to get a photo. Quickly cast it out. He's on. Oh, it's only a little, guys.
Sure.
Little compared to this. Oh, he's full. He's full.
He's full. He's got a squid.
He's full.
He's full, dog.
Just cast out again. We're all casting out and guarantee get a squid because they're going off at the moment. Hopefully we can catch another monster squid. Oh crap, so am I, Cooper! Cooper, you're gonna have to get the net, my dude. Oi, Cooper, pull yours in. I'm onto a good squid. Look at that, I'm onto a good squid, so is Dad. Oi, Cooper, get the net. Get some underwater footage. Get the net, Cooper. Get behind. Oh yes, let's go. Ooh, biggie. Always do loose bail on when you bring a squid in. Put it down. Look at the size of that thing, it's big as. Wait, Cooper, I'll do the filming. You can use my squid rod if you want. Oh, look at him. He's all over me. Oh! Wait, Cooper, you can use my rod. To calm down a bit, not as much happening, so we put out one of the little ones that Cooper caught earlier, and we might try and catch a couple whiting with it while we're still here. So yeah. Cooper just went and hooked onto a really big squid. Net, is it need the net? Net. Alright, I'll get the net. Like an expert. Oh, that's a good squid,
Oh!
It's a good squid.
That's too big.
Net drop still.
Yeah, I think so.
There we go. Oh, God.
Don't face it at me
I'm
again.
not.
You always face it at me.
He's gonna open up.
Mate.
What happens is when they touch something, that's when they squirt. Watch.
No.
When it touches the water, it'll
Did
squirt.
you see that other guy?
So if you touch the squid, they squirt. That's apparently.
Yeah, they do. That's when you drop them on the ground, they go nuts. Squid again? Is it a good squid or just a good one? Oh, dude, I might get some underwater footage, I think. Should I? Alrighty guys, so we finished up today, got a few good squid. Anyway, thanks for watching, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you in the next one.